Alright, welcome back. This is going to be the second video, a continuation of what we did yesterday on Tuesday, or whenever I had you on Tuesday. So to review what I have, or what we have, first, what we did before is that we identified the radius, the apothem, and the base, or any other information like that. Then we divide the triangles by connecting the vertices to the center, find the area of each triangle or of one triangle, and use number 3 to find the area of the total shape. So in this case, for example, what we did is that we looked at this triangle. So then we said if you just focus on that, then this right here is 11. This bottom part is 16. Let me change the color. So the area of the total triangle would be 16 times 11 divided by 2. Hopefully that shows up. Let me move this up. There you go. 16 times 11 is 176. Divided by 2, you will get 88. So then I know that this part is 88. This triangle is 88. This triangle is 88. This triangle is 88, and this triangle is 88. So the area of the entire thing we can say is 88 plus 88 plus 88 dot dot dot, or just simplify 88 times 5, and you get 440. Is there a shortcut? Long answer, short answer, yes. Long answer, we will get into in a little bit. So here's a shortcut, and I promise you that this is going to make everything a lot easier for you. Similar to before though. Let me get my thing. Identify the radius, the apothem, the base, pretty much everything that you know. In this case, oops, sorry. Let me change that. There you go. In this case, the bottom is 16. Too thick. So the base equals 16. And the height equals 11. Or the apothem equals 11. So here's a shortcut. Because I know that the area of, let me get this. The area of this pentagon is pretty much split up into 5. Where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last one 5. Because I know that it's always going to be in terms of the number of sides, because there's 5 sides, so there's 5 triangles, I can actually use this formula right here. The area of the entire thing is just, going to be side times A divided by 2, which is essentially going to find you one triangle. So again, this part right here is for one triangle times, here's the most important part, times n. And where does n come from? I'll go ahead and pause the video and I'm going to try to see if you can tell me where n comes from. And now that we're back, hopefully you got this right, but n actually comes from the total number of triangles, which I've been talking about for a while, because there's 5. So now let's try it this way. So in this case, if I know that my B is 16, or now that we're going to call it my side, this is step 2 by the way, 2 steps. So now that my side equals 16, my apothem is 11, then my equation, if I substitute everything in, I will just have A equals S times A, which is 16 times 11, divided by 2, times n, which in this case is 5. So if I get that my calculator out, 16 times 11 is 176, divided by 2 is 5, 440. A lot simpler than what we had before. So again, back to this, explain in your own words how to derive the general formula to find the area of any regular polygon. And hopefully you remember, but I split it like this for a reason. Because these two parts play a crucial role in what it is that we're going to be looking for. And here's just an idea. Hopefully that helps. Sweet. So now that you got that down, go ahead and practice these. If you don't get these, look on the board. There's probably some more examples on there that I've left up. Otherwise, go ahead and do this and then submit your answers on the Educannon link. Sweet. So something we're going to work on today is a little poster. Hopefully the whole class is here by now. If not, just go ahead and let me know. But for this, what I'm going to ask you to do, I have some little sheets describing exactly what we need to do too, is I'm going to assign you a shape. In this case, for example, I assigned this group a regular polygon. Now we're going to do a little throwback to Monday when we found interior angles, and you're actually going to teach me how to do this. So you can either choose the 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180 method, or you can choose the formula, whichever one you want. Whichever one you think is going to be best for you. And then you're going to tell me the sum of the interior angles. Let me go ahead and erase this. Back to this. You're also going to show me how to find the area. And again, I would prefer that you show me both methods. Each triangle, etc. And then again, use the formula, which is S times A divided by 2 times N. Beep, beep, beep. So now that we have that, go ahead and get that started. Again, if you do not have the materials, markers, etc., please let me know, and I'll go ahead and distribute those out to you.